with the monk in jungle, and he asked, actually the monk asked, why you are crying? Why you are unhappy? What's the problem to you? And he replied to the monk, actually my problem is my color. I'm black in color, so that's why I'm unhappy. So the monk replied to him, if I give you a chance to become alive, so what do you want to be in life? So the crow said to the monk, I want to be swan in life because it has a very amazing color. I want to be swan in future. Monk replied to the crow, I will fulfill your wish, but he is satisfied in his life and he is happy in his life, so I will make you a swan. When he meet to swan and he